Now, I can guarantee you that this course and the methods that I'm about to share with you are going to both surprise and amaze you because it's going to show you absolutely everything you need to know about building your own email list and making money online. In case you're wondering what my system is all about and whether or not it's something extremely difficult, well, you can rest assured that all of these things that I'm going to teach you in my course are very simple. And I'm telling you this because I have noticed that this is a typical issue since a lot of courses out there teach people way too many complicated steps and procedures that in the end only serve to provide no help whatsoever, but rather only further confuse you. And this system is designed in such a way that it is extremely easy to follow and definitely easy to reciprocate. And you'll see that all of the techniques and methods I have laid out in my course are simple, but also proven to work, and you'll get fast results using them. And I also want you to know that I won't be holding anything back. I'll be sharing all of my secrets, every single piece of advice and technique that has ever helped me throughout the years, especially in the beginning when I was just starting from scratch like a complete newbie that didn't have any experience, skills, or even ideas. All right, so having said that, let's get down to business and get started. Now, what I want you to do next is close this video, open up the next one, and start absorbing all that information that I'll be sharing with you right now. All right, so that's it for now. See you in the next video.